Online Short Speech Competition 2020. Free registration. Choose any one topic. Topic 1. What does mean to be a true Christian? 2. The ideal youth. 3. The beauty of the cross. 4. The year 2020. Cash prize. First 2,000. Second 1,500. Third 1,000. With e-certificate. YouTube channel Guy Kamei. Panel of judges. 1. Hopeson Kahmei. Master of Theology, M.T.H. 2. Pamei. Master of Art and Religion, M.A.R. 3. Pastor Silubou Moita. Master of Theology, M.T.H. Last date of registration the 25th of October 2020. No ages bound. Languages, Rongmei and English. Note: 1. Registration will start from the 10th of October 2020 to the 25th of October 2020. Free registration. 2. No ages bound. Open for all ages. 3. Short speech will be for 4-minute minimum and 5-minute maximum. More or less will be invalid. 4. Languages preference, Rongmei or English, you can choose any. 5. Marking pattern, judges equals 80%, public votes equals 20%, likes and views will be counted as public votes. 6. Videos will be available on Guy Kamei YouTube channel. 7. This is limited only for Christian and no church denomination barrier here. 8. Candidate must abide by all the rules set up by the program committee. Organized by Sonram Students Union, SSU. For registration and more details, WhatsApps 897424404 and 489746400070.